Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you put refrigerant into your Volkswagen Jetta's AC system. First, prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and gloves. Next, find the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L cap. Ensure your Jetta's engine is running, and the air conditioning is set to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. This prepares the system for proper refrigerant intake. Now let's connect the refrigerant can. First, securely attach the charging hose to the top of your refrigerant can. Then, firmly connect the quick connect fitting on the hose to your Jetta's low-pressure service port. You should hear a click when it's properly seated. Before proceeding, give the refrigerant can a good shake to mix its contents. With everything connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Slowly open the valve on the can, allowing the refrigerant to flow into the system. Add it in short, 10-second bursts, then close the valve and check the pressure gauge. Monitor your Jetta's AC vents for colder air. Repeat this process until the gauge indicates the correct pressure range. Once the pressure is correct and your Jetta's AC is blowing cold, close the refrigerant can's valve completely. Then, quickly and carefully disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure service port. Store any remaining refrigerant properly. Now, you can enjoy the refreshing, cool air from your Volkswagen Jetta's air conditioning system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.